In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Fabric mods to Minecraft 26.1 or later. Before we get started, it's important to note that if you are having trouble installing Sodium, then you may need to install Java to your computer, and I'll leave that video linked in the description below. The first thing we need to do is to download Minecraft 26.1 so we have the files installed to our computer. To do this, we first want to open our Minecraft launcher, then you want to head over to Minecraft Java Edition, and then in the version drop down menu you want to select 26.1 and then select play. Once Minecraft version 26.1 opens up, this means we have the files downloaded, so you want to select quit game, and you also want to quit out of the Minecraft launcher. Now we just need to download Fabric and Fabric mods. So to do this, we first want to open our web browser, and you want to go to fabricmc.net, and I'll leave this linked in the description below. From here you want to select download, and then you want to select download for Windows, and then you want to go ahead and save the Fabric installer to your desktop. We also need to download the Fabric API as many mods require this. So to do this, we're going to select the Fabric API hyperlink just underneath the download button, and this will take us to the CurseForge website. From here you want to select the Files tab, and then you want to scroll down and you want to find your Minecraft version, which is 26.1, and you want to select it. From here you want to press the download button, and after a few seconds the download will begin, and again you just want to go ahead and save the Fabric API to your computer. Finally, we just need to download the Fabric mods that we want to use. So to do this, we first want to open our web browser, and you want to go to a Minecraft modding website of your choice, and in this example we are using modroof.com. From here we're going to select discover mods, and then you want to browse for the mod that you want to use. So for the example of this video, I'm going to select Sodium, and once you're inside the mod page, you want to select versions, and then you want to scroll down and find the Minecraft version you want to play, so this is 26.1. It's also important to make sure that the platform is for Fabric, which in this case it is, so we're going to select the download button right next to it, and again you just want to go ahead and save the mod to your computer. So now we have everything downloaded, we just need to go ahead and install them. So to do this, we first want to open the Fabric installer we first downloaded, and when it opens it will look like this. In the version drop down menu you want to select your Minecraft version, which is 26.1, and for the loader version you want to make sure it's the latest version. For the launch location you want to leave these at the default location, unless you have selected a custom location where you've installed Minecraft to. Finally, you want to make sure create profile has been selected, and once you're ready you want to select install. Once Fabric has been installed you want to select OK, and now we can exit out of the Fabric installer, and you can delete it from your computer if you'd wish to do so. So now we have Fabric installed, we just need to go ahead and install the Fabric API and our Fabric mods. So to do this, we first want to open our Minecraft launcher, and you want to select Minecraft Java Edition. From here you want to select installations at the top, and here you should see the Fabric loader profile. On the right of it you want to select the folder button, and this will open your file explorer. Now you want to find the mods folder and select it, and then you want to go ahead and drag and drop the Fabric API and your Fabric mods inside of the mods folder. Once we've done this, we can exit out of the file explorer, and now we just need to go ahead and play Minecraft with our Fabric mods. So to do this you want to head back to the play tab at the top, and then in the version drop down menu you want to select Fabric loader, and then you want to select play. When Minecraft opens up you know you've done this correctly, because in the bottom left it will say your Minecraft version with modded in brackets. Now because we install Sodium, which is a performance mod, we can change these settings by going to options, and then video settings and changing them from here. Lowering your render distance and simulation distance will get you more performance and vice versa. So once ready, we want to select done, and now start playing Minecraft with our mods just as we normally would. So as you can see I've just loaded into a Minecraft world, and we can see our performance by pressing F3, or FN F3 if you're on a laptop. In the top left hand corner you will see your FPS, and I'm currently getting about 600 FPS. And if I didn't have Sodium installed, I'll probably be getting about 400 FPS, so the mod is currently working. And now we can start playing Minecraft just as we normally would. And that's it, so if this video is helpful please leave a like and consider hitting that join button below. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.